Welcome to the Leomatic Show. Welcome, sports fans, to today's annual Spider Central race with the NASCARs, the safety group included. Okay, guys, I'm actually just being the host here, so yeah. But this might look weird to you to be in a safety group. Why it's there is because if we're using the imagination on this video here, so in case any cardboards go flying around this track, this thing will push it off. That's what it's for.
Alright guys, so let's take a look at the safety group real quick here. Leo has devised this video all himself, and he's going to explain the rules of this here for you momentarily, guys. I'm going to whip through and give you guys a look here, a close-up of who we have, as well as the racers, as well as my Mio tea over there in a Powerade bottle, guys. Actually, that probably won't be part of this. But here we go. Let's get down into, okay, so we have
these two, okay? These are the support vehicles.
We have a tow truck?
The support vehicles.
Okay.
These two, in case any of these run out of hoses, these will bring more hoses.
Okay.
Basically, that's the whole thing.
Fire trucks, we have ambulances, we have
fire skidder,
rescue vehicles, we have a pretty good assortment here, guys, of emergency equipment, including a snowplow, which we're going to be using apparently as a bulldozer if parts go flying off. Okay, so our racers are so Leo, tell about the criteria here for how we selected these racers. We have 11 racers here. How did you come up with
the rules?
Yes.
It states in the rules why we got these racers, because you have to have a roll cage to compete.
Okay. All right, guys.
And all these cars have roll cages.
All right, let's take a look at them. Okay, guys, so first up, we have a Dodge Challenger.
Driven by Mr. McLaren. And this is called the Red Charger.
Okay, it's a Challenger.
The Red Challenger. It's called the Demon Challenger,
okay,
actually.
Demon Challenger, okay. We have a late 70s Chevrolet Camaro.
Driven by Mr. McMahon.
Okay.
Not the wrestler host.
Okay.
And this is called the Red Racer.
Okay, that is one of our favorites, guys, for this race. He's predicted to do very well. And we've got a Chevy race truck.
Driven by Mr. McWinner. And this is actually called the White Demon.
Okay, guys, it looks like we have a Ford Mustang.
Driven by Mr. Mustang. And this is called the Soccer High Tech Master.
Okay. We have another Ford Mustang.
Driven by Mr. Gold. And this is called the Gold Rider.
All right. We have a actual stock car from Mopar.
Driven by Mr. McMahon. Mr. McMoon, sorry.
Mr. McMoon, okay.
Mr. McMoon and the Blue Moon.
Okay. We have two of the Hot Wheels stockers. So these are not anything. These are actually just Hot Wheels owned cars. We have one in transparent smoked. We have one in transparent blue.
And one of them is driven, and they're both driven by the USA brothers.
Okay.
And this is called the Sky Car.
Sky car.
And this is called Virtual.
Okay. We have a newer Chevy Camaro.
Driven by Mr. McChevy.
Okay.
And in the Green Swamp.
Okay, so that's another favorite, as are these two. So guys, so far we've seen 4 of our favorites. We have one more coming up. We'll show you that shortly. Right now we are looking at a Dodge Charger.
And driven by the police force, Mr. Police Force.
All right.
driving in the official law racer.
Okay. We have a BMW, guys, Z4, which is this. Oh boy, can I film this? Which is, guys, I'm trying to get a good look for you here. Okay, so there it is, the BMW Z4, that blue one.
Driven by Mr. BMW and the Blue Maniac.
Okay, and finally, last but not least, we have a red Camaro.
Driven by Mr. Red and the Cliff Jumper.
Okay, guys.
No, it's called the Cliff Jumper.
Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, guys, so we have 15 cars here, I believe. 11. No, I can't count, 11. Guys. We 11. Only have 11 cars. 15, 11, what's the difference, right? Okay, guys, and Leo, what are the rules of this race?
If anybody falls off the track, and if it's like a crazy crash, they're not eliminated. But if you fall off accidentally, you're eliminated.
Okay, guys, so
these are the pit stops.
This is going to be a last man standing competition. And Leo is going to turn on the turbos. And he's going to get one of them going. He's going to get one of our racers going, guys. And that racer will have to complete one full lap before he puts the second one on. Okay? And then if he gets two of them that are able to complete one full lap, he'll throw a third on. The racers can drive into each other. They can do whatever they want. If they stop on the track or if they leave the track, guys, they are eliminated. All right? So there's the rules. And
first up,
the rules of the race, guys. I'm going to come over here so we can get a better view of everything, guys.
Yeah. And the red Cliff Jumper.
All right. There he is.
But with Mr. Red himself.
All right, guys, he's off to a great start. He was off to a great start. He has just left the track, guys. He is eliminated.
No, he exploded.
So he exploded, and that would be also eliminated. All right, and we got a rescue vehicle going to get him.
He is badly injured. He is badly injured.
Oh no!
He broke his arm. He broke his arm. Get the ambulance. Woo! Take his car to the pit stop.
Okay.
And the mechanic is Scooby-Doo. The Green Swan.
All right, guys, the Green Swan. Swamp, okay. He's off to a good start, guys. He's got a good lap. All right, this one's going good. Are you going to run the second one?
Yeah.
I spoke too soon, guys. I just jinxed him.
He is out.
This is going to be a very, very short race, guys. Okay, who's next?
The White Demon.
White Demon. Okay, he's going pretty good, it looks like. You gonna add a second one?
Yep. The USA brothers. Wait, just one USA.
Never mind, guys. He just drove himself right off the track. All right.
1, 2, 3. The USA brothers doing amazing.
All right.
I saw you two people.
See you later, guys. We've jinxed all of these guys. We are jinxing them, guys. So far, we have not been able to have more than one car running at a time. Okay, we got the Dodge Charger. And he's really thinking about doing this. Okay, you're gonna add the second. Guys, he just drove himself right off of the cliff again.
I like these guys had second chances.
Oh my gosh, guys, he flipped over. But, yeah, you could try running him again, maybe.
Who's that?
Whoa. Dude. That guy's going good. Alright, should we throw another one on? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, and the Mopar car has been eliminated, guys. So far, this blue one is rocking things. Oh, and the BMW is doing well.
What?
And it has also departed the track. Oh, guys, we might have a winner here.
Oh.
Oh, you bumped the track. Put it back on. You bumped the track when you're putting the green one on. Yeah, we can't have Leo error stopping our guy here.
He's awesome.
You did it again. Okay, here we go.
Let's just get Leo first.
Oh my gosh. Leo's not putting him on here straight, guys. Okay, here we go. Alright, so that Mustang is a no-go. 3 strikes and you're out, buddy. Very safe. Whoa! Oh, wow. Yeah, that Mustang just sent him off sailing underneath the table there.
Is he eliminated?
It's up to you. I didn't see what happened exactly, but...
Oh, no, that other guy sends him off flying.
Okay.
He's eliminated.
Alright.
Our guy is doing super well here.
Okay, guys. Now, this is one of our favorites. The 70 Camaro is on there now. Oh, the 70 Camaro has just been eliminated.
Our guy doesn't want to stop.
You made him push him through?
Oh.
I don't know if that was quite...
I wish we had a second chance.
You gotta give him a rolling. You gotta give him a rolling start, dude. So get the guy going again, and then put that last car on. All right, that last car is eliminating himself. So it looks like this blue one, guys, is our winner. So there he is. He's half off the track, guys, but he has.
I'm racing one of the emergency.
He has beaten this whole thing. All right, guys. So the winner was that blue stalker car from Hot Wheels, and now is the part of our show where we just get goofy, and we're just gonna run all sorts of junk on here and see what it does, along with the winner. Oh, whoa! Yeah, that guy's doing really well. What one is that? Is that a
5 alarm?
Oh, the old 5 alarm. Oh boy.
I don't think he put a 3rd on there.
Oh! Guys, look at this action. 5 alarm just bit it and then blocked the other guy. Boy, that was cold-blooded 5 alarm. Leo's gonna try to get 4 of them going, which is really challenging to do, guys.
Hold on, you gotta get 3.
All right.
1, 2.
1. 1. None.
1. Our one's not doing well.
Oi, oi,
Okay,
oi,
let's
oi.
just race this guy by himself.
Okay. Yep.
He's gone. Okay, what else shall we do? Versus our champion here. Let's get one of our guys who lost the second chance.
Alright, sure. Give one of them a second chance. Why not?
Lisa.
Oh, it's going to be brother against brother here.
Look how cool they're going.
Yeah, that was great. He just drove off again.
It likes to go off there. Random one.
Alright, Leo's throwing a random car on. And the random car has just eliminated himself. Oh, upside down car. That worked really well. I'm glad you thought of that. That was good. Okay.
That was a real race.
Yeah. Maybe not.
What? This against this.
Okay. Oh, is our champion just done? Looks like our champion is done racing, guys. And
Nope.
so is that guy.
Nope. Our champion is going back on the track against his
Oh,
rival.
five alarm again.
He's going against his rival. We got a rival right here.
Okay. Guys, have you ever seen a fire truck racing like this? Please comment and let us know.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
My alarm died!
It looks like he is bombed away and 5 alarm.
No, he's going. He's going.
Okay, he's back. Oh no! It's another crash!
Oh my god, that looks so cool.
Okay.
What?
Who else? Are we gonna do this again? Okay. Alright. At some point, guys, we're probably gonna see more random ones showing up. Oh, that was good.
That one was a test one.
Yep.
If this is other guy flying, so whenever she's big,
Alright, guys.
I'm getting a new one.
Change the angle again here, guys. See if we can find a good way of doing this. How's that action? Oh, yeah, that's spectacular.
That's fun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it feels bent.
Oh, yeah, don't get the bent wheels ones. Those are no good.
Oh,
Guys,
yeah.
at some point we might try to repair these wheels. I've seen videos that I think you can actually do all that. I don't know how, but
Sports
I
car
might learn
racing
that.
NASCAR.
Okay, nope, no he's not.
The NASCAR fell off the track.
Yeah, well that is a NASCAR. Stalkers are
My
NASCARs.
one's back on the track.
Oh, okay, great.
That was
Oh,
pretty hard.
are you going for 3? Oh my gosh, guys, he's getting 3. Dude.
Come on, race.
Oh my gosh, he's got 3. Oh, he had 3 going. I think the most we've ever been able to get is 4. And we only got 4 for just a limited amount of time. And you gotta have like super fast cars to do that. Okay guys, so I think that might be our new challenge, is to try to figure out if we can get 4 of these on here. And it takes the right cars. You have to have cars that glide really easily. And Leo keeps picking things that are, guys. So we're gonna go in the bin and we're gonna find some that are
Old-time rivals.
yeah, sure. We're gonna try to find some guys that
Old-time rivals are really
that roll really well, guys, and we'll see if we can get 4 of them going, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys. So we have unlocked a bonus challenge. Our winner from the last race. Plus, we're gonna add other cars to try to get to have 4 cars running on this track at the same time. We've already got 3. We're going for 4.
Another rivalries.
All right, those 2 have decided not to participate anymore, and neither is that one.
No, actually, they don't. They want to.
Oh boy, yeah, get him out of there. Yep, no good.
Dragon car. Probably good, but he's not running the car anymore. This thing does good. It's good also when you add its rival. Oh my god!
Okay, so let's try some of the other ones here, guys. We got some of our historic ones. Oh, and we're just running junk again. Okay. All right, let's run the garbage first. This is a salt and pepper shaker, guys. This is,
Bad one.
I think it's flying.
Let's go this thing.
This is one of our newer ones, and that did not hold very well.
This thing does really well.
Yeah, we got our semi-truck. All right, he's holding steady. And our race car.
He wants to hold up nice and steady. I think he just went off the rails a little. It's like music, sort of.
All right, see you later, semi. All right, who else we got here?
The speed demon.
Oh yeah, this red one. This was one of our best racers for a long time. And that blue one we just got to not put on the track. He's not doing well here, guys. All right, so the red one's in good shape.
Rolling.
Okay, guys, so I think we found some previous historical super fast ones.
Like this thing.
Yeah, we gotta get the gate off of the track though. And guys, oh, we're gonna take another shot here at getting four going at the same time. Are you ready, Leo?
Let's put our champion on there.
Okay. Did you run this gold car, by the way? A gold car by your foot? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so there's our champion, and adding to that is
Speed demon.
the blue, it's one of the blue missile cars, and so we got 2 of them going.
We had 2 of them.
The blue missile cars decided to leave. Now we have the red missile car. Oh, and our champion decided to leave, and so did
The red missile
the red missile car.
Now let's do these 2 together.
These missile cars go so fast, guys,
That they just have to go off the track.
that if you have the boost on it, guys, they just go flying. Okay, and you can see they just take hardly anything, and they have so much momentum, they just go off the track. All right, guys, so we got 2 of them going good now. All right, you ready to add 3?
Maybe scratch that. 5 alarm is added.
Okay. 5 alarm is nowhere near fast enough, guys. Not for those guys. So
this thing is awesome.
So we got the red one.
We got something that goes really
okay,
fast.
here we go. So the silver car, this silver car is usually pretty quick.
Are you sure it goes well?
And the silver car is left.
No, that's enough for this speed, baby.
Yeah, okay.
It is super fast.
Alright, here's the red one over here. So the red one and the blue one we're going to keep. And
yeah,
you want to try that one? Okay. The red car.
We got one of our other champions here. I'm excited to leave. Oh yeah, let's just do this one. And let's do this
Okay.
car.
We have, okay. Alright.
Yeah.
So you guys can see this is really challenging on this short of a track to get 4 of them going.
Red missile cars, they're going fast, dude!
But the cars all have to have about the same ability to go fast.
I like this car, but I don't think it's fast enough for the missiles. Down the blue missile!
Okay.
This thing is fast!
Alright.
Let's race them on this side. You still go fast either way. The missile cars are the most amazing cars I've ever seen on this track.
Yeah, they are very, very
They
quick,
master
guys.
any track they come across.
Yeah, you can see we probably need to get high wall track on this. That would really be helping things because this is a lot of force to these.
This thing is going flying. Anything that can't match the speed of these things, anything that can't match the speed of these things is done for.
Yeah, yep. Alright, let's see if we can find what we got left. Throw some more on. Oh.
Crap.
We're gonna have to put high wall track on this. This low wall track, guys, just not cutting it.
No one I don't think can match this guy's speed. Might be as fast as one of those missile cars. No one can match the missile car speed. What? I think we have rivals. Someone's mastering it.
Sure.
Try that again.
I don't think we're gonna get this to go with this low wall, to be honest with you guys. I don't think there's any prayer of that.
There is no one who can master the rocket car's speed and agility.
Alright, let's try to run the other two, just see what happens.
Ooh. We got 2 champions of their own own. That one I don't really think does well anymore.
You can see, guys, it actually pushes the track. They come around with such force. That guy just went flying off the high wall. Alright, let's try.
I found it.
Let's try the last couple we have over there. And where'd the red one go?
Oh, went under the couch.
Oh, okay.
Check this thing out. It's speed. No one in this world can match its speed. But this thing is much, much faster. It even hurts when I try to stop it.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Wolverine car. Up next.
Okay. Where's the other blue car? Is that over there still? No, the other one. With the silver wheels. Where'd that go?
That thing on the track?
No, the one with the silver wheels.
I'm gonna keep that thing going. I mean, this thing
No. Alright guys, we had another one here somewhere, but it doesn't look like it's going to be in the cards today, guys. We have yet another challenge ahead of us, guys. Look for that in a future video when we try to get 4 of them going, guys. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. This is our NASCAR type race. We had a race with everything with the roll cage in it, and our winner, where's our winner, buddy? And here he is, guys, the winner of our roll cage race. This guy right here, which is a Stalker blue transparent from Hot Wheels, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, guys. There's your winner. We tested a lot of cars, guys. We had yeah, we had a really good time here, guys. Blasting through these. We haven't done Hot Wheels for a little bit, guys. And it was really cool to get back to it, guys, for sure. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, guys, please give us the old thumbs up, guys. Hit the red subscribe button, guys, if you have not done so already, guys. Hit the blue bell next to the red subscribe button if you like to be notified of latest content as it becomes available, guys, including more Hot Wheels stuff. We, every once in a while, guys, we'll have just a big Hot Wheel weekend, guys. We had a whole day of filming Hot Wheels stuff today. And those videos, of course, will be coming up, guys. You can also follow us on our Twitter feed where updates to the channel, guys, are made by myself manually pretty much as soon as they happen, guys. There's also Twitter-specific content as well, guys. Mostly display stuff, but there is some stuff. There is some stuff. There is some stuff, guys, special to that as well. So, guys, feel free to follow us there if you'd like to, guys. Leave us a comment. Do you have any of these? Hey, do the salt and pepper guy. Do the salt and pepper shaker again. Do the salt and pepper shaker again. Okay, here.
The salt and pepper shaker. It's gonna get destroyed.
Guys, if you have any of these, if you like doing Hot Wheels stuff, guys, leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you guys. This is a Hot Wheels we have a blast with, guys.
Anything in its path.
And there it is, Leo's favorite racer. The red one is under the couch. The companion to this one, the other high flight missile we have. Very fast cars. If you guys like to race cars, those are good ones to get. Well, guys, leave us a comment. Let us know what kind of Hot Wheels you like. If you collect them, guys, we would love to hear from you guys. And if you have racing videos, guys, we would love to check that out as well. Anyway, guys, that is good to do it for us this time. So, for Leomatic and for High Missile and for everybody here at Team OKGoodReview, guys, we'll see you next time.
You told you it would destroy stuff.
Indeed it does. Bye-bye.